Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. Stepping outside, temperature in the 30s this morning. Clear skies, but colder. Wind chills in some communities, even down in the 20s. Now, here's a look at 7 First Alert radar, and you can see the clouds down to our south. Not an issue for us. If anything, later in the day, some of the clouds back out here to the west will come streaming in ahead of our next chance of rain and snow. Now, yes, we could see some snow. We're not looking for a lot of snow here. This is a look at your morning, and you can see bright skies looking good. By this afternoon, we turn partly sunny, and then the clouds will begin to thicken up. There's no rain in your forecast at all today. After midnight, a little bit of rain and snow up to the north across parts of the thumb, and we could see a bit of a mix at the outset Thursday morning before it transitions to all rain. But Thursday and Friday will be wet days. Today looking for a high near 51 degrees, bright skies, seasonably mild. Tonight down to 34 degrees, showers possible, late rain and snow showers. And tomorrow we'll have a mix in the morning, and then it transitions to all rain with a high near 46. Still raining for Thursday night and Friday. Friday we're at 51. We get all of the wet and nasty weather out of here in time for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, low 50s, mix of sun and clouds, and then we're looking at temperatures in the upper 50s near 60 by early next week. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.